Water softeners 2 versus 1. When is a softener too big, and when would two smaller machines be the better choice? This is not just something for commercial or industrial clients, these are very practical solutions for homeowners that have large families and homes, or a lot of water chemistry to deal with. A single large water softener can be sized for a job for reasons of high flow rates or a capacity issue. It will meet the peak flow rate, and it will have enough capacity to make it through each day, providing enough softening capacity, while not having to regenerate more than once every 3 days. An alternate way is to have two water softeners working together. What we often refer to as twin softeners can also be sized for high flow rates and large capacity needs. When configured in parallel, they can give us high flow rates and large capacities. Flow rate is usually the most important feature when choosing to use them in parallel. There will be an extra valve in the configuration to stop water flowing through one machine while it becomes exhausted and goes into a cleaning or regeneration cycle. With this setup, we can achieve the same results as the single large softener in flow but use less water for cleaning, and it will be more salt efficient. The other configuration is what we refer to as an alternating set of softeners or twin alt. In this setup, only one softener is online at a time and the other is recharged and waiting to return to service. When one becomes exhausted, the other automatically takes its place and the first machine goes into the regeneration/cleaning cycle. Capacity is often the main reason for choosing this configuration, and its ability to never have any downtime. Softening is available 24 hours a day. This can also be a savings in cleaning water and salt efficiency and reduces the issue of water channeling. Channeling is something that happens more often on larger single systems when the bed is not regenerated often enough. Whether it was space restrictions, water conservation, salt efficiently, or a specific usage need, a twin system was the right choice. They can cost a little more upfront than a single conventional system, but remember, a financial return on a water softener is something that happens over years, and this little upgrade is no exception. Long term, it will be a savings. We are here to assist you in any way possible. Email us at service@thewaterguide.ca.